Right, let's talk about a project that's been catching attention lately, not just because of its charts, but because of the philosophy behind it. It's called Karma, and it positions itself as a digital currency with a heart. You've probably seen the phrase pay off your karma across their socials, and that's really the essence of what they're trying to do, bridging crypto innovation with genuine human need. Now, from the start, the project makes it clear that it's not about wild speculation or short-term pumps. Instead, it's built on transparency, accountability, and impact. Their numbers already show a serious level of engagement. We're talking about a market cap now sitting over $7.5 million, with more than 1 million in daily trading volume, according to CoinGecko. And the price has been moving around the $0.0075 mark, even showing a nice 9% increase in the last 24 hours. If you check DEX Screener, you'll see strong liquidity, around 397,000, more than 12,000 transactions, and interestingly, the buy volume is slightly leading the sell side. That balance suggests there's genuine trading activity going on, not just empty hype. But what really sets Karma apart is where that value is going. They've already donated over $128,000 in K-Dollars tokens to support causes worldwide. And this isn't just talk, they've set up real impact projects like regenerating the earth through food forests, alleviating hunger with nutrient-dense food, reducing crime by tackling food insecurity, and growing healthier food with better farming methods. Each of these projects has received tens of thousands in funding, and you can actually track them on their global impact map, with active work happening across places like Ethiopia, Ghana, Angola, and Zimbabwe. It's rare to see such clear visibility of where the money's going in crypto. Their vision is pretty bold. They want to become the most trusted digital currency for rapid, accountable aid. And that's reflected in their philosophy: stable growth, community-driven decision-making, and above all, making a tangible difference. You can tell they're trying to step away from vague ideals and focus on results people can actually see. Their roadmap makes this clearer. Phase 1 is the fair public launch, designed to be organic and transparent. Phase 2, which runs from mid-2025 to mid-2026, is where they activate tokenized impact initiatives, meaning the community itself can inject tokens and directly support projects. And then Phase 3 focuses on growth and expansion, with regular updates, revenue sharing, and new initiatives to keep everything sustainable. Now, community plays a massive role here. Karma is building what they call an elite community, and they're active both on X and Telegram. Their Telegram already has nearly 3,000 subscribers under Karma Coin on Sol, and the energy there feels like people genuinely want to contribute rather than just speculate. Over on X, the project is verified with thousands of followers, posting regular updates and keeping the movement alive with that consistent branding around pay off your karma. And let's be honest, in crypto, a strong community is half the battle. If you're wondering how to get involved, the buying process is straightforward. You can grab Karma through DEX Screener, GMGN, Phantom Wallet, Photon, CoinGecko, Bird Eye, and Gecko Terminal. They've even put out a step-by-step video to guide new buyers, which is always a nice touch. And with liquidity on Solana, transactions are quick and relatively cheap, which makes it easier for people new to DeFi. But beyond the mechanics of buying and selling, Karma is trying to stand for something bigger. Their tagline is clear: investing not for the profit of the few, but for the well-being of the many. And in a space that often gets criticized for greed or rug pulls, this is a refreshing narrative. They're building strategic partnerships with organizations that align with their mission. And while the big announcements are set for later in 2025, the groundwork being laid now suggests they want to build something lasting rather than just chase a trend. Looking at the charts again, yes, the token has had its ups and downs like any crypto, but what's interesting is how the price movements are coupled with the growth of their community and the expansion of their impact projects. It doesn't feel like empty volatility. Instead, it feels tied to milestones, donations going live, projects being announced, community growing stronger, and when you combine that with their transparency, where every contribution is traceable and measurable, it creates a sense of accountability that most projects simply don't offer. So here's my personal take. Karma is still in its early phases, and it's not a guarantee of success, but it's one of those rare tokens where the conversation isn't just about charts and gains, but about impact. Whether it's animal shelters, emergency aid in crisis zones, or disaster relief, they're trying to prove that crypto can be more than speculation. It can be a tool for meaningful change. As always, this isn't financial advice, and you should absolutely do your own research before putting your money anywhere. But if you're someone who likes the idea of your crypto holdings also making a real-world difference, Karma might be a project worth following. And with that, I'll wrap it up. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into projects like this, and let me know in the comments. Do you think crypto can genuinely change lives outside of the market charts, or is this just another narrative? I'd love to hear your thoughts.